eLab is about two things. On the one hand, it's about rapid prototyping, going out into the field, getting a lot of input very early on. Learn, measure, build cycles, lean startup. On the other hand, it's about human connection, meeting others, supporting each other, enabling each other to do something really great, something really new and innovative with that mindset, with these tools, and with human interaction.
My eLab journey was really nice. It started all with an intense education class at the beginning of the semester, followed by the training and coaching of the 3 startup teams during the semester.
I really developed myself and gained a lot of experience and also developed a new skill set.
I learned a lot professionally and personally, and now have a lot more self-esteem to coach new teams.
I learned how to observe teams, I learned how to ask the right questions, and also how to support teams if I'm not a team member, then rather the observer.
At the eLab education, there are a lot of other coaches, and they are all interested in the startup field. So there I could get to know like other founders, other coaches that can help me to expand my network.
eLab changed me in this way that I really developed myself. I gained a lot of experience and I also learned how to carefully listen to others. Like for me it was really important to see that I'm not a team member, then rather like a person who asks questions and listens to others, and also see how can I help to develop other individuals.
The most moving moment was during the final presentations of my 3 teams, to see them grow and present their end result and the huge progress they made, and that I could be part and guidance throughout the semester, and that they will succeed in the future.
So eLab in a nutshell, it is a format that is super hands-on, transformative, and open for everyone to join who is interested in working creatively, working agile, and exploring new territory.